About a week ago, I released a video about the MOVO VXR10, and MOVO actually saw that video and really liked it, so they reached out to me and ended up sending me out this to review and test the MOVO VXR3031. It's a lot bigger than the VXR10, as you can tell, but that's because it's not the same kind of mic. Like, that's a really small shotgun mic. This is an actual, like, I would consider using this on weddings and such, and I wouldn't necessarily that. So let's get into the unboxing. The packaging of this was extremely nice. Box is just regular MOVO, you know, they're teal and white colors. Open it up, it's in this really nice foam packaging. It's in a like foam cutout, precisely the size. What it comes with is a dead cat, a mic bag, and the mic itself, and some manuals. So the packaging is really good. Like, that's a lot better than the plastic cutouts that the Rhodes come in. Like this came in a plastic cutout and it didn't even fit. It was rattling around in there like crazy. So let's get into the features of the mic. So it is, like I said, a shotgun mic, so it's a lot bigger. That means it takes batteries, and the hatch in front opens up and you put in 2 AA batteries, unlike the 1 9-volt for the Rode. It has a plus 20 decibel setting, minus 10 decibel setting, and regular 0 decibels, a low cut filter, and a, I guess, high cut filter. I don't know. I will be getting into those tests later. The biggest thing I want to touch on is this, the headphone jack. This is genius. I don't know why every mic doesn't come with these. So if you're not shooting with a like higher end camera like my Sony, most cameras I've ever bought don't. And this is super convenient if you want to test your audio on shoots. I tested it. It's a lot louder coming through this than coming through the camera, which is amazing. And the quality is perfect. I had my headphones on testing it with my friends last night, and yeah, it's just really good. Shock mount is really nice. It doesn't work insanely well. So this is what the vlogging distance length, the sound is like. I'm in a very echoey room right now though. So this is at 0 decibels, plus 0, and minus 0. I'm gonna kind of jiggle it as I step just to, like, you know, give a nice test. 0 decibels, MOVO VXR 3031. So far really impressed with this mic with the tests I've done. Just hoping it keeps up with the Rode VideoMic Pro. I guess this test is pretty much done now, but it works pretty good. Like, it'll do for vlogging and such, but you do sometimes hear a little rattling sound, but that's okay. What I like about this is the stringed or coiled mic, so like you can extend it and it'll be tight. Unlike the Rode VideoMic Pro, it's just a regular uncoiled string, and that can get annoying. You have to wrap it around a lot and it'll still be loose. One thing that I thought was really cool that really outdid Rode is it came with this, a dead cat. I have tests done with this later in the video, which you can stay and watch, but this is really cool. Rode doesn't send any of their mics with a dead cat other than their Rode Video Micro, which is 60 bucks, but I already said the MOVO's VXR10 is better than that. So this is a really cool bonus. So now let's get into the comparisons. This first test was about 7 feet away. I was testing my friend Mac. Yeah, I'll put displays on which cameras are which and what settings I'm using.
Testing, poop butt.
Testing.
Do it again. Testing.
Now you go again.
Testing.
Go again.
Testing.
Okay, go again.
Testing. Poop.
One thing I really like about the MOVO is they always include a windscreen. Came with it, and we're gonna check how good it works right here. I got a fan set up. I'm on my Rode VideoMic Pro right now, so let's do a test comparison. I'm gonna be standing right back here. Local filters on at plus 0 decibels, so regular. Let's just see. All right, this is I'm just talking regular voice. I'll start to yell, I'll get progressively louder. This is at a semi-loud voice. Okay, now I'm actually yelling. Let's see how well this works. Now I'm gonna try minus 10 decibels. All right, Rode VideoMic Pro, plus minus 10 decibels, regular voice, semi-loud voice, and now I'm yelling. All right, this way, Rode VideoMic Pro, minus 10 decibels. Let's just regular voice. All right. Now let's try this. All right, now this is the MOVO VXR3031. Regular voice, talking regular. Alright, now I'm sort of yelling, and now I'm actually yelling. So let's see how well this works. 0 decibels. Now let's go to -10 decibels. -10 decibels, talking regular. -10 decibels, semi-yelling. And now -10 decibels, I'm actually yelling pretty loud. Now let's do this direction. -10 decibels, regular voice. -10 decibels, -0 decibels, regular voice. -0 decibels. Alright, and that is the comparison. I won't say anything about the subject personally. I think they both sounded really good other than the wind. Well, now I am saying something, but you could clearly tell the MOVOs performed better in the wind, that's it. But I won't say anything on the overall quality. So that's the comparison-ish video and review of the MOVO VXR10. Really good. I don't have the price of this yet, for it is not released. When it is released, I know MOVO makes really affordable products, and they're really good. So of course, this is more than likely going to be cheaper than $200. And for whatever price it is, I think it's definitely worth it. Really great brand. Been loving MOVO recently. They haven't paid me to say anything. They haven't told me to say anything nice. I'm just giving my honest thoughts. I'm more than likely going to be using this on an upcoming wedding alongside this, so I'm not ditching Rode, but I'll be using both of these on separate cameras. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful or cool. Check out some of the other MOVO products. They're really awesome. Again, I'm not being paid to say that. I just like their products. So yeah, that's it. See you next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.
Go home, Roger.
Tea and Tamara in my bed, I'm a smart guy. I ain't fucking with you niggas like apartheid. Nah. Hit some, let's check my archive. I'm so immaculate, instead of asking what's happening, rather blast a Jackson 5 in the back of it.